all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome to the refrigerator. I'm Mrs. Waldron. Today we are going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Put on your listening ears. Here we go. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Now I'd like you to get out your piece of paper and a pencil. We're going to do some art. All right, we're going to start drawing. Now, hopefully you'll have your crayon or your pencil. Usually I would do this with a pencil in case I make a mistake, but I want you to be able to see it here on my paper, so I'm going to use a crayon. I hope you have a pencil to use. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to make some ovals that are touching each other. While we're drawing our ovals, we kind of want to make them go up and then come back down. Make sure your ovals are touching each other. And then you're going to want to draw a big circle. You can see that's his little head. We're going to draw the antennae. All right, and you're going to draw his eyes, and his eyes are going to be 2 circles like this, and then 2 circles inside those circles. After that, you're going to give him a little nose. Now our very hungry caterpillar has lots of little hairs on his back. So you're going to take your crayon or your pencil, and you're going to draw some little lines on top of all of your little ovals. Little hairs. And the last thing that our little hungry caterpillar needs are his legs. The way we're going to draw his legs are we are going to draw an L, an uppercase L, and then another uppercase L. And you can connect your uppercase L's at the bottom just like that. And we're going to give him a bunch of little feet. You can give him as many as you want. Why not? There you go, I gave him 6. All right, now you're going to ask a grown-up to use a Sharpie marker to do an outline tracing of your art so it really pops. Now comes the fun part, coloring. You can color your hungry caterpillar any color you want. The one from the book is kind of brown, kind of green. He's got a little bit of yellow and his head is orange, so that's what I'm gonna do. But you can color your caterpillar any way you want. All right, when I'm done coloring my caterpillar, I can do anything in the background. I have some watercolors, so that's what I'm gonna do, but you can do anything. You can use your crayons, you can use your markers, you can really use anything. Use your imagination. I'm gonna go with my watercolors. Don't forget to sign your name. You can even write the date. All right, guys, I hope you had fun at the refrigerator today. We'll see you next time.